Alright, so what are you looking at? This is the side mirrors for my Toyota Yaris. The problem was I couldn't find a good condition side mirror for the specific Yaris I have. So what ended up happening was this is the original mirror, right? And you will see the difference, right? See the difference. This is for the mirror for the Yaris 2-door, and this is the mirror for the 4-door Yaris. And also the other problem with this is it's not powered controlled, and this one is powered controlled. So what I find, you could actually use the 4-door mirror, but you're gonna need the bracket. So all you have to do is just unscrew it, right? There's a screw here, as you can see, right? So now this is garbage. Now I'm gonna unscrew this too and transfer this whole thing into this bracket here, and you should have a perfect mirror, right? So let's do that. So the only problem you're gonna have is this is the 2-door and this is the 4-door. The only difference is that there's a little bit part here that's sticking out compared to the 2-door. It doesn't have any part there that's sticking out. So what you're going to do is to cut this part here, and it should fit perfectly. So let's cut it. All right, so here it is. So shave the extra part here. So now it looks like this. So it should fit perfectly now. All right, here it is. Right. So this from the 4-door, now it's on the 2-door, using the 2-door bracket. So you can see. All right. So it's done. You can use this vice versa. If you have a 4-door and then you only have a 2-door option for the mirror, then you can do the same. So thank you for watching.